Welcome to our channel, where we simplify tech for everyday users. Today, we're diving into Telegram Web on your PC to show you how to remove a chat folder, a handy trick for staying organized. If you're ready to streamline your messaging experience, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head to Telegram Web. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the top of the interface. You'll see your chat folders listed in a horizontal menu. These are the custom categories you've created to group conversations. Now, locate the folder you want to remove. Right-click directly on its name in the top menu. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this list, select Delete Folder. Telegram will ask you to confirm your choice. This is your chance to double-check that you're deleting the correct folder. Click Confirm to finalize the action. And just like that, the folder is gone. Keep in mind that deleting a folder only removes the organizational layer, not the actual chats inside. Your conversations will still be accessible in the main All Chats section. This feature is perfect for tidying up your workspace or rethinking how you categorize contacts and groups. Why does this matter? Maybe you've outgrown an old folder system, or perhaps you're experimenting with a new way to sort your chats. Whatever the reason, Telegram Web makes it simple to adapt. Remember, staying organized can save time and reduce digital clutter, especially if you're managing multiple groups or projects. If you found this guide helpful, consider giving this video a thumbs up to support our channel. For more tips on mastering Telegram, from secret features to productivity hacks, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. We drop new tutorials every week to help you navigate your favorite apps with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.